This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Remove the keycaps you plan to cover, labeling rows as you go. This prevents layout mistakes later. Once done, wipe the plate and keys with 70% isopropyl to ensure adhesion. Measure the full keyboard width and any individual key dimensions. Accurate cuts save time. Cut a test strip from the wallpaper or vinyl and try a dry fit. Make sure to have a metal ruler, craft knife, and a small brush for adhesive ready before you proceed. You now position and secure the wallpaper. Start by cutting panels with a 1-2 mm oversize to allow precise trimming. Score the backing lightly to control removal. Once aligned to the top row, peel a small section of backing and anchor the piece, then use a squeegee to press from center toward edges to avoid bubbles. Make sure to cut switch and key openings with a sharp craft knife. Trim a tiny amount at a time to preserve margins. Keep scraps for practice cuts. You finish by trimming the final edges flush with a metal ruler and knife. For vinyl, apply low heat, 40 to 50 degrees, briefly to set the adhesive and smooth seams. Once set, reinstall keycaps in their labeled positions and test every key for travel and contact. If you spot a bubble or lifting edge, lift only to the nearest cut, reapply pressure with the squeegee, and heat briefly. If alignment is irrecoverable, remove and start with a new panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.